Hey, what's going on everybody? JP here with Wander to Get Lost, and in today's video we're going to see if installing the RV AC silencer by Wacko Products will decrease the noise of our AC units. Stick around and let's find out.
It could be this simple forever.
Alright, so if you know anything about Coleman Mach AC units, they are loud, they are very loud. Even when just running the fan, they're pretty loud. So I was searching around to see of what could be done to try and make it a little less noisier in here, and then I was reading through the FMCA RV magazine, and I saw an ad for the RV AC silencer made by Wacko Products. So that's how I ended up getting this thing, because I was like, well, let's see if it works. So this is it right here. It comes in this box. I got two of them. I can't remember what the price is, but when I put this video together, I will list the price. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove our old cover, and it's pretty clogged right now because it's also maintenance time. So we're going to take everything out, and then we're going to do the installation. And full disclosure, I already cheated. I did the front one. So I know that I'm going to need this big roll of AC tape, and the reason is that when they build these RVs, they don't tape anything up, so there's lots of gaps, and I'm gonna go through, seal everything up, which should help with our airflow. The other thing is I do have a sound level meter, so we're going to test out the sound of this unit before and after. So right now, sitting here in the room, we're at 56 decibels, and every time I talk it's going to spike. So the AC unit is just on the fan. So it's averaging around 67 decibels. Let's kick on the AC. And we do have the soft starts in there, so we're not going to get that really loud ramping noise from when the compressor kicks on. So right now we're at 65, 66. So I'm going to kick on to the highest setting of the AC unit. I just heard it kick on, the increase in fan speed. And we're still about 67, 68 decibels. So that's what we're going to use to measure after we install the Wacko Products RV AC silencer. Alright, let's show you what's in the box. Alright, so here is the box. When you open it up, this is the cover, and it's a directional cover, so all the inflow air is going to go through here. You can see this is padded. This is what is going to mount on the bottom of our AC, and then this will mount to this via these screw holes. And then here we have, they do include some AC tape, ducting tape, some foam padding, all the screws you need to mount everything, instructions, and this is the filter that will go right in here. Alright, so here are the instructions here, and then about the filter. So it says you can vacuum the filter in place, you don't have to remove it, or you can remove it and clean with mild soap and water. Just make sure it's completely dry before you put it back. Then the other thing is you can buy a replacement filter from their website, wackoproducts.com. Alright, so you can see it's super yucky. It's time to pull this down, and then once we get this out, we'll go ahead and install our new unit. All right, here we go. All right, I am going to turn off the unit. I'm going to keep the box so I can drop everything into the box because everything is pretty dusty. Alright, so I got it cleaned up as best as I think I can. Let me show you why you need the ducting tape, because nothing is sealed, so it's all gaps in here. You can see there's some nice foam cutouts for where they run the wires through, so we're going to go through and seal that up. That way all the air, when it goes in, will go up. So I'm just gonna keep going through here, seal this all up, and depending on how much it is or isn't done in your AC unit, I guess we'll determine if this is going to be a lengthy process or not. So I will see you in a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. All right, so you see it's all taped up now, all sealed all around. So all the air now is going to go up and not into any of the gaps that were here. So we're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this on here. This is going to go here. And the good thing about this is there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 holes here. And already I have screws in place from the current unit. So all I'm going to do is remove these screws and then use those screws to secure this, and then the extra screws that come with it right here will finish off the holes. Alright, so we now have the filter. And the filter is going to go on like that. It's directional, so you just match it up here to the angle here, and then you're going to need screws here and here to hold it in place, and then there's 2 screws here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pre-put these screws in. I'm just going to set these. Alright, just make it nice and snug. Good. Good. So that's now in place. So now there's 4 little short screws right here. Those are going to secure this on the side to these guys. So this just pops on like that. All right, there it is. All right, so we're going to kick it on. We're at 60, 66. All right, everybody, so that is it for the install of the Wacko Products RV AC silencer kit for our Coleman Mach AC unit. I really don't think it makes that much of a difference. I think the decibels are within 1 or 2 of each other, and I don't think that's really worth the amount of money that I'm pretty sure I paid for. These were kind of expensive. So I'm gonna leave this one up to you if you decide that you would want to put this in your RV. I do like the look of it. It does look a lot better than the old one and the original to the RV that was in here. I do like the little filter that's here. It makes it easier to pull it out for cleaning, as opposed to the big pad that we had in there that we always threw out and cut a new one to put in there. So that I do like. I do like this cover. It looks nicer. I do like the directional of the intake, so it directs the air in. I do like that. So overall, I do like it. I don't think it does what it claims as far as making it quieter. We also have the micro air easy starts in our AC units, so that also makes it a quieter running unit. So I don't know if we were going to be able to get any more quieter had I done this before the easy starts. Maybe it might have made a difference. So yeah. Alright, well, it's up to you. Either way, I'm going to link to their website down below and you can check it out for yourself and decide. They do make for other models of AC units, so if you have a different one, make sure you choose the right one for your RV. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching this video. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along on our crazy RV journey, and also check out our gear reviews and our DIY installs. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And to all our new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. We do appreciate it. Trust us, we're over 5,000 now, so we're hoping we can hit 10,000 before the end of the year, which would be amazing. All right, everybody, have a great day. I will see you on the next video.